it's Shanna from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with another 52 weeks of favorite photos. I am also combining this with how to kill a kit with style. And I just wanted to show you guys, this was my kit. Has vacation pictures in it, and I just pulled, y'all know, some greens, rainbow type stuff. So this is paper I pulled in this. And then I pulled out this Creative Memories Fill and Bright embellishment pack that I had bought at a crop, and I've never used it. And it comes with this in it, and then a whole bunch of pieces. And I really love these. I never cared for Creative Memories, but these are, I love them. And then this is all my stuff I'm going to use. I am doing my layout based on this sketch by Brenda Ragsdale. And so I cut out my circles on my Cricut at 5 inches. And this is one of the pieces from the embellishment pack. I cut these little banners from my paper that I had pulled. And I have this embellishment from a swap. And I've had it for a long time, but I was wondering like what I could actually use it for. I don't really have anything like related. So I'm going to use it on a vacation one. And then I have a bunch of little pieces from that embellishment pack of clouds and things like that, which ended up going perfect. So, and this is my photos. They are from when we went on vacation to the old mill in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And it is beautiful. We always go, if we go up there on vacation, we always go to the old mill. And so I'm going to do those. And they're not very colorful photos. So I thought, and it was in the spring when we went, so I thought I would add all the color using the paper and embellishments. So I'm going to follow this sketch pretty close. It has a circle and then your photos, the little banners. I'm not doing the extra square paper. I'm just leaving it as is, and I'm turning it into a double page. It's only a single page, but let's see here. I'm going to start out by gluing my circles down. So I've got my circles and my strips glued down. Now I'm just going to add my photos and glue them on. This one is a very simple layout, but very high impact depending on what types of papers you use. I think it turned out really cute, even though I'm not using the two smaller photos. I'm still trying to use up I'm still trying to use up all these photos that I already had printed in my stash before I got my printer and decided I'm going to print it all myself. I want to focus on, I want to try to do better the rest of the year, in all honesty, and use up more of my already printed photos, because I have two of the Hobby Lobby 4x6 cases. I have two of those full of my photos, so I really need to work on using up all of these that's already printed. And I didn't want to trim any of these down because the picture is, I mean, I could have probably trimmed that one down more. but all of these are so up close that I didn't really want to trim them down any and lose the scenery and what the pictures were really focused on, which was the old mill. So, let's see here. I have this. I think I'm going to put right here. I'm going to put it on foam just to give it a little more depth. I have this. I forgot I was going to tuck it underneath here. Pull this up a little bit. Put my journal box down here just so I can write in the details of where we were and the date. I don't really have a story to tell other than we always go here every time. And it always looks the same, like it's literally always the same. And even though that's boring to a lot of people, seeing the same stuff, I like doing it. I think it's comforting to know that some things just stand the test of time, you know? Alright, I'm just going to put these embellishments on. I tried to do one with each little cluster of photos. And then I have these little clouds that I thought I could put around this. Since, you know, it is flying up into the air. And the not bad part really, but the funny thing about it is that I pulled out a bunch of different vacation type titles, swap stuff that I could use, and I didn't really like anything, and I thought, you know, I really want to use this because it really goes with all of the colors and everything with the papers. And then I pulled this out and thought, you know what, I might could use this because it's kind of vacation-y, you know, springy, whatever. And then whenever I pulled it out, it had all the clouds in it, which I didn't realize originally that it had all these cloud embellishments in it. And then it had this rainbow, which is great too, because y'all know I'm doing the whole rainbow theme for March and trying to fit it in. So it worked out that this went along with the up title. And tuck that there. But yeah, it's just funny how things come together sometimes, right? It was just meant to be. Put that there. And I have other two clouds. I'm going to put one here. And then this one I will put on foam. So that is pretty much going to be my layout. I will end up, of course, doing my journaling. I'll post a photo of it completed at the end. Oh, I was going to add a few of these little dots. I thought this could just kind of finish it off. And I have them, so why not use them, right? You're not going to be able to really see them. Just do a few here and there. These dots are cool, and I know you probably can't tell on the video, but actually up close in person, like these ones are white, but all of them are kind of see-through type. I mean, I guess they're acrylic, well, enamel, because they're enamel dots, but they're see-through, which which is really cool. You don't see very often. Okay. Add a few of these little cloud ones in here. Just something, a little extra bling. Put this on. Okay. So, that's going to be my page. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. And I hope that you enjoyed this and that it inspires you. And until next time, bye y'all.